Hey guys, what's up? Mini Bishon Wayne today. Tara, pag-usapan natin itong sinasabi ni Laila de Lima na pwede raw niyang ipa-impeach, no? Ang mga Supreme Court justices. Guys, with the S to. With the S. Hindi ko alam kung saan nakuha ni Laila de Lima yung ganyang kalakas na loob. Hindi mo alam kung nakulangan na ng tornilyo. Hindi mo alam kung, ano no, ano ba yung masatawag mo dyan? There you go, guys. Talaga, alam mo ito. This, I cannot consider that this particular thing that is going on right now about the decision ng Supreme Court sa impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte. I don't know if it's getting worse and worse day by day or it's getting funnier day by day. Bakit? Ayon nga dito sa sinasabi ni Laila de Lima na pwede niya o possible na pa-impeach niya ang mga justices ng Supreme Court. Ilan justices po ang bumoto dyan? 13. Isa pong nag-abstain at isa ay wala. So, ibig sabihin, ititira mo yung dalawang justices, then the rest who voted for it is, tawag dito, ipapa-impeach mo. At on what grounds? Diba? On what grounds? So, ayon nga dito kay Lely de Lima, sabi niya sa kanya, mamayang Liberal Party Representative Lely de Lima said that the impeachment of Supreme Court justices is possible course of action if the High Court dismiss or disregard the House motion for reconsideration in the impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa totoo lang ang tingin ko dito, pang-blackmail. No? Parang kumbaga kung may perang involved dito, ang dating din sa akin ay parang extortion. Diba? Oh. Bakit? Kasi nga, sabi nga niya, kung i-dismiss o i-disregard ng Supreme Court ang motion for consideration ng House of Representatives, may potential na kaakibat na consequence yun. Yun pagpa-file nila ng impeachment laban sa mga justices ng Supreme Court. Ganyan katapang o ganyan kayabang si Laila de Lima. In an interview in One News Storycon, de Lima pointed out that although the Supreme Court said that the decision was immediately executory, it doesn't mean it is final or cannot be questioned. Well, totoo naman yan. Bakit? Kasi even the spokesperson herself said they can file a motion for reconsideration. But that doesn't guarantee or warrant that based on their motion, ikakatigan na sila ng Supreme Court. Unang-una sa lahat, hiningi ng Supreme Court na sagutin nila yung mga katanungan ng Supreme Court. Pero there were part of the questions or there were part of that excuse me, na dinudge nila. I think there were 4 of them na inignore nila. Diba? Simple lang naman ang tinanong ng Supreme Court. Nasunod ba yung proper process ng impeachment? Sabi rin dito she emphasized that the filing for motion for reconsideration is part of the due process. Yes. In-overemphasize na nga yan ni Justice Leonen who penned the the decision. Up until today, I haven't read the decision of the Supreme Court, but it seems that it will going to be very nice for me to go over it. Sabi niya dito, we cannot blame if anyone or if any group for the matter, excuse me, the House itself, it would also consider the filing of impeachment case against the Supreme Court justice themselves, de Lima said. Binibigyan mo na ng idea that they can do that. Yes, they can do that. They can file an impeachment complaint. On what grounds nga? Diba? While the Congresswoman said that she hopes it won't come to that, she acknowledged the risk of constitutional crisis if the standoff between the Supreme Court and the House. Nakakatawa talaga ito si De Lima, no? Really? Gusto niyong makaaway ang Supreme Court? Kayong mga taga-House of Representatives? Pagkakatandaan niyo, mga lawmaker kayo. Sila ang nag-interpret ng law. Okay? And there, we're talking about Constitution here. We're not just talking about a mere law. We're talking about the Constitution. And who is the better person or who is the better group or institution who can interpret whatever is written in the Constitution? No other than the Supreme Court. Not because you're a lawyer, you're really good at one thing, interpreting the law. No, you're not. Obviously, hindi mo naiintindihan kung ano yung sinasabi ng Supreme Court. Diba? That is why you're questioning them. What is the point na naging Supreme Court sila if they cannot be the supreme someone who's supreme when it comes to interpreting the law? Bakit sila kaya yung last resort natin? Kasi ang dating dito sa sinasabi ni De Lima, no, if we go back here, while the congressman said she hoped it won't come to that, she acknowledged the risk of constitutional crisis if the stand-up between the Supreme Court and the House escalate. I would like that. I would really like that. Pagkakatanda mo, De Lima, meron kang nakabinbin na tawag dito, na disbarment case sa Supreme Court. Diba? Sa IBP. Para pagmalakihan mo ng ganyan ng Supreme Court. Diba? You're not just a congresswoman, you're also a lawyer. Baka sila mismo mag-moto proprio sila sa sinasabi mong yan. Diba? De Lima also criticized that Supreme Court for this judicial activism. And urged the justices to reconsider their ruling and be open to admitting potential errors. Wow! Grabe, no? Hindi ko kaya to si De Lima. Grabe utak niya. For her to say that sa Supreme Court. Diba? She's acting as if she's supreme than the Supreme Court. She's saying something as if she knows better when it comes to interpreting the law. Diba? Ganon kataas ang tingin ni De Lima sa sarili niya. Ganon katindi ang tingin ni De Lima sa sarili niya, lalo-lalo na siya ay nasa House of Representatives. Diba? Baka magaya ka kay Larry Gadot. Twice this bar. Hindi ba pananakot ito sa Supreme Court? Na parang hina-hijack ang Supreme Court dito. Na pag hindi nyo kami ginatigan, no? Yung akala nyo yung pambubuli nyo, kakaya-kayanin nyo ang Supreme Court. Diba? I really hope that the Supreme Court will show their strength by acting dito sa sinabi ni Leila de Lima. Diba? I think they can do a rethinking and re-examination of these points when the proper motion for consideration is filed. The more na hinahamon mo ang Supreme Court, the more na minamaliit mo ang kanilang interpretation based sa tandaan nyo, nag-file si VP Sara, yung defense team niya, si Attorney Torion and Attorney Jamie Bondo. Okay? Sumagot sila doon. Nung sumagot sila, dahil hiningi ng Supreme Court na sumagot sila to make a comment, hindi nila sinagot lahat. Tapos at the end, ang sasabihin nyo, may mga ganyan kayong pagbabanta, may ganyan kayong pananakot, o may ganyan kayong pagdi-dare? Really? Ganun nakatindi tingin ng mga taga-House of Representatives sa mga sarili nila? That they can bring down an entire Supreme Court by filing an impeachment complaint against them only because they made a decision not favorable to their liking? Hindi ba yan pagpapakita ng pang-aabuso sa inyong mga powers? 'Di ba? Yung akala mo, Leila de Lima, no, represent the entire House of Representative congressmen speaking on their behalf. Na parang align ng lahat sa kagustuhan ni Leila de Lima. And that's really scary. No? Ang dating na to sa akin ng sinasabi ni Leila de Lima na for you to demand not to dismiss or ignore, well, definitely they're not going to ignore it. But there's a possibility that they can dismiss it. Diba? Not every motion for consideration guarantees you a favorable result. Eh, feeling ko naman kahit anong sabihin nyo sa motion nyo, ganun at ganun pa rin ang ending. There were procedural lapses. Di ba? Meron pa rin talaga kayong hindi ginawa. Meron pa rin talaga kayong na-violate. Para kunyari magpakita ka ng pangil, as if when you bark, you bite. No. You just bark. The Supreme Court will bite. Yun yung mangyayari dyan. It's not other way around. Nobody questioned the Supreme Court. Just like how Leila de Lima questioned the Supreme Court. And nobody challenged the Supreme Court the way Leila de Lima challenged the Supreme Court. It's just like, alam mo yun, there's a proper way to question or to ask rather the Supreme Court. Diba? Sa totoo lang, gaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, imbis na i-criticize nyo, okay, ang nagiging desisyon ng kahit anong korte, publicly, you file a motion questioning the decision. Diba? Eh, hindi eh. Ito kay Laila de Lima, mas matindi eh. Kung hindi pa pinapalabas dito ni Laila de Lima na may kalalagyan ng Supreme Court. Diba? Yan yung sinabi niya. Hindi yan nanggaling sa akin, ha? Mm. Diba? That the impeachment of Supreme Court justices is possible course of action if the High Court dismisses or disregard dismisses or disregard. 'Di ba? Sa pagdi-dismiss ng House of Representative, okay? Pag dinismiss ng House of ng Supreme Court ang motion for reconsideration. May kalalagyan. If we cannot blame if anyone in our group, if anyone, and if anyone, or if any group, or for that matter, the House itself, if it would also consider the file of impeachment against the Supreme Court. Excuse me. So, simple lang, di ba? Kung hindi nyo katiga kami na mga taga House of Representative at i-dismiss nyo yung motion for reconsideration namin, magpa-file kami ng impeachment complaint laban sa inyo, kayo mga justices. That is the plain Tagalog na sinasabi ni Laila de Lima. Diba? The audacity of Laila de Lima. I'm not gonna drag the House of Representatives here. No? Laila de Lima doesn't speak on behalf of the entire House. I'm sure she's just speaking for herself on that. So, tingnan natin, di ba? Tingnan natin kung saan hanggang saan ang tapang ng mga taga-House of Representative or ni Laila de Lima kung i-dismiss ng Supreme Court. Okay? Yung motion for reconsideration. Okay? There's a very very slim chance that they're gonna get a nod that the Supreme Court justices will agree to them. Diba? There's a very slim chance. Kasi totally, kung babasahin mo ulit yung mga sinabi or papakinggan nyo yung sinabi ulit ng spokesperson ng Supreme Court, they were very clear about dun sa kanilang paniniwala, dun sa kanilang nakita. Dun sa mga nabasa nilang sagot. They were already clear dun sa kanilang naging desisyon. And that cannot be changed easily. Diba? Anyway guys, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, at i-comment nyo na rin kung ano sa tingin nyo itong ginagawa ni Laila de Lima. Sa tingin nyo ba may laban ba siya sa Supreme Court? Sa tingin nyo ba hindi mabubwisit ang Supreme Court sa kanilang mga pinagsasabi? O sa tingin nyo magagaya to kay Larry Gadon na twice this bar? Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!